Hello everybody and welcome back to our on-demand videos for DocuSign. My name is CJ Johnson. I'm a training specialist with the tech training team at Keller Williams. Now today we're going to be talking about emailing into the room and how that can benefit you in your workflow using DocuSign. So let's check it out. All right, as you can see on my DocuSign room account here, I'm going to navigate over to the inbox area in the upper area of your screen there. It's right next to the Rooms tab. So we're going to click on Inbox here at the top. Up here in the upper left-hand corner, it will show you your unique DocuSign email. Everyone that has a DocuSign account is going to have their own unique email that they can utilize for your room here. If you ever get confused on where you can change this, you can go to your Preferences area by clicking on your name or face or initials in the upper right-hand corner and go into Preferences. And then from there, that's how you can edit your DocuSign email. Now, it probably will have some weird numbers behind it starting off in your account, but that's where you can go in and make that email more catchy for your business. As you can see, I've used CJ the Tech Guy at mail.docusign.net just to give you an example here. All right, so in order for someone to email into this area, they'll just utilize that DocuSign email provided in the upper left-hand corner. Also, it's probably a good thing to give you some examples of why you would want to use this feature of emailing into the room. This is going to be great because agents are always on the go, right? You're probably busy getting in the car, going to meet people, going to listing appointments, things of that nature. And so if someone needs to send you something really quick, they can do that by utilizing this DocuSign email feature here. All right, you can see here that I'm using my Outlook email here, just plain pretend. Let's pretend somebody wants to send me something to my DocuSign account through that DocuSign email. So all they'll need to do is put that DocuSign email in here. They're going to send it to me there. And then they can attach that file that they're looking to send. And they don't even have to put anything in the subject area, but if they want to, they can, but it doesn't affect anything with this particular feature here. Let's go ahead and click send. All right, now you can see on my screen, I have this new PDF that has been sent into this inbox area, and it'll even have a new label or symbol above it in those yellow letters there, letting us know this is a new piece of information that's now in our inbox. So this is a simple way people can send things straight into our inbox, and we can utilize this information. So from here, what I would need to do is right click on it, on that PDF. We'll click the option that says move, and we're going to move this into our actual room because it's right now it's sitting in this inbox area. So we can click on active room and pick the room that we want this to go into. Okay, what we've done is showed you the first feature of 3 features within this emailing into the room category. So we showed you can use that inbox to bring in PDFs, whatever other documents you need, right into that inbox, right into your DocuSign email account. Now, we did have to move that over into the room. And you're probably wondering, hey, CJ, is there another way or a faster way I could do this? Absolutely. So let's talk about the second feature within this category. So what I'm going to show you is how you can bypass the inbox area and actually send information, documents, forms straight into the room here so you don't have to move it from the inbox. It's going to save you a lot of time. So if you notice up here where it says ID number, and if you hover over it, it actually says copy and paste this room ID number into your subject area to send documents straight into this room. Awesome, right? So this is how we're going to send documents straight into the room and bypass the inbox tab. Okay, so I have my email up here, but now I got to do a couple different things here so that we can email straight into the room. So let's see what that looks like. Number one, I know I have to put that same unique DocuSign email as we're sending it. So I got that in there. And in the subject area, this is what's new. This is what's going to change. We're going to put in that room ID number that we found in the upper left-hand corner. Now remember, each room will have its own unique room ID number. So always looking at upper left-hand corner to identify what that is. So in the subject area, I'm going to put hashtag that room ID number there. And then we're just going to attach the file. Let's go ahead and send that packet of forms again. All right, so from here, I'm just going to click send. Okay, so we can now see the packet of forms PDF that I sent is straight in the room now. And that's because we put that room ID number in the subject area of the email. Okay, at this point, we have two features that we've talked about in this emailing into the room category. Number one, we've talked about how to email into the inbox area. Very simple way, just putting in that unique DocuSign email and just sending off that PDF, JPEGs. The only things that don't work as well are PNG files, but everything else is full go, full game. And then number two, we talked about how to bypass the inbox area and send things straight into the room by using that unique room ID number that you can find in the upper left-hand corner. I got one more feature for you. You ready for it? Okay, let's play pretend here. Let's say that somebody sent an email. Maybe this had sensitive information in it. Maybe it was from your client, another agent, a broker, attorney, something like that. And you wanted to turn that email into a PDF and send it straight into your room. Okay, this is what we need to do in order to turn this email into a PDF and send it straight into our DocuSign room. So number one, we're going to go ahead and send it to our unique DocuSign email. And in the subject area, we're going to do a couple of things. Number one, we're going to plug in that room ID number, because remember, that's going to allow this to go straight into our DocuSign room and bypass the inbox. So we have that hashtag room ID number there. And then because this is an email, say this is an email that was maybe forwarded to us or sent to us by another agent or client or recipient, we're going to turn this email that might be sensitive but useful for the transaction. We're going to turn this email into a PDF and send it straight into the DocuSign room. And the way we're going to do that is by putting hashtag PDF, which will allow this email to turn into a PDF in our room. We have our email, room ID number, and that unique DocuSign email. We can go ahead and click send. One last thing I want you to know. As we are creating this email and turning it into a PDF and sending it straight into our room, it'd be great to put a title on it as well. And so how you can do that is in that subject area, you can type in the title behind that room ID number and behind the PDF as well, the hashtag PDF. And now you'll have a title on that PDF as it's in your room. Awesome. So now we see that that email has been turned into a PDF and we sent it straight into our DocuSign room here. See that email there. And if I wanted to change this title here, all I have to do is write a title in the subject area. So now you see how cool it is to use the emailing into the room feature for DocuSign. Now, if you have any other questions, you can email our tech training team at learncommand@kw.com.